Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pellet Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to try to swap out some wheels on an Anson 1/18 scale Porsche 911. So I've never done an Anson car, so we're going to have to take our time with this and see how this is put together. For the most part, these cars, they're all made in China, obviously, except for Barago. And Barago, as far as I know, is the only manufacturer who is not made in China. They may be now, I don't know, but they weren't up until whenever ago. So the first thing we're going to do here is just take a look and see how this is put together. I think, where's my small Phillips head? I think I'm going to take the front off here and just see. I want to see how this is put together. I'm just interested in, okay. Very, very cool. Okay, that's interesting. I've never had one that come apart like this. So I don't know if all Ansons are this way or not, but this spindle is most likely this is all press fitted in there. But let's see here once. Let me see if I can get that out. Usually if you wiggle. Okay, I'm not sure how that's press fitted in there. As I bleed all over the place. Well, like I said, this is the other thing. See how it's like a rivet? It's metal. So I don't know. Let me see if we can. Let me see if we can pop that out of there. I don't know how that's in there. I want to. I got some work ahead of me on this one. All right. Anyway, let's get back to this and see. And then do the old twist. Yeah, I'm doing the twist motion on this and it feels like it's, yeah, it came right out of there. So that's for the back. Has a standard press on. These brakes are like, it's just like so cheesy. See how it is. Usually if you just get a hold of them, you just give them a twist and pull them out. The Kyoshos are that way. A good bit of them are. How you know is this is a one-piece wheel. Baragos you'll see, and normally this hub will be open right here, and that's how sometimes you can get in with small needle nose pliers and pinch the axle and pull the wheels apart. Now these kind of, when you see that, usually this one here, I'm not sure. This has, I'm not even sure how that's press fitted in there, but I'm going to see if I can get that apart. It's not looking promising. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do for this one. I was kind of hoping to try to save these spindles, but I may not need them after all. But okay, I cracked the wheel there, pulling that apart. You can see right here it's got a crack, but it did pull out. So there's a metal rivet in there. You just gotta get a hold of them. I probably should have done more of a twist motion as I pulled that apart. See right here. So it's very similar to the back. The back, it's just got it's gnarled or whatever you want to say. This pin. So at least I didn't damage the spindle at all. Let me see if we can get the other one out. I'll do a twist motion on this one. if I can. This is all in. That was annoying. When the hell was that? My freaking mother-in-law sneezing. Jesus. That was fucking annoying. Anyway. Alright. Let's see if we can get this. Boy, this one don't want to. Oh, this one does not want to come out of there. There we go. Now that just... this is all for, in the name of science here, but boy, I destroyed the wheel there. Oh well, I can just pick off what I don't need here on this. I mean, I may not even need this after all, this metal axle here. These brakes are about useless. So. Too much noise in the house for my liking. Well, I'll have to mess with that then.